Hello, welcome. Today let us have the class on probability. Let me solve some questions for you today. Your first one is, in a single throw of a die, find the probability of getting an odd number, a number less than 5, a prime number, a number divisible by 2 or 3. Question is, in a single throw of a die, when we throw a die once, what are the possible outcomes? For all these bits, the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of possible outcomes for all these cases is 6. Now let us do bit by bit. First bit is, what is the probability of getting an odd number? So when we throw a die once, what are the odd numbers we are going to get? Let us write the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. So out of these 1, 3, 5 are the odd numbers. So number of favorable outcomes equal to, out of these 6, favorable are 3. So probability of getting an odd number is equal to, you know that number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes, 3 by 6. Yes or no? But 3 by 6 is not in lowest term. So cancel it, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So first bit, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. If you write only 3 by 6, you are not going to get marks. You have to show the fraction in lowest terms. And your second bit is, let me do second bit here. A number less than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number less than 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, numbers less than 5, they are the favorable outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of favorable outcomes is equal to 4. So probability of getting a number less than 5 is equal to number of favorable outcomes is 4 and number of possible outcomes is 6. So you will get 2 2s are 2 3s are. The 3 1s are 3 2s. So here 2 by 3. Now third bit is, find the probability of getting a prime number. What are the prime numbers here? Prime numbers are, 1 is neither prime nor composite, 2, 3, 5. You know that what is a prime number? So here number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1, 2, 3. Therefore, probability of getting a prime number is, number of favorable outcomes is 3, number of possible outcomes is 6. So again you are getting 1 by 2. And your fourth bit is, a number divisible by 2 or 3. So what are the numbers divisible by 2 or 3? Either 2 or 3. 1 is not divisible, 2, 3, 2 is divisible by 2, 3 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by both. So here number of favorable outcomes is 4. So probability of getting a number divisible by 2 or 3 is equal to Number of favorable outcomes is 4. Number of possible outcomes is 6. 2 2s are 2 3s are. So 2 by 3. So this is how you have to find the probability of the given or required number. So let us solve some more problems of different varieties. So your second problem is this. Two different dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability of getting some 7, some less than or equal to 3, some less than or equal to 10. Okay? Sum means when two dice are thrown simultaneously, the sum of the numbers on the top of the dice is 7. You see, when we throw two dice, either of these we are going to get. The sample space, the outcomes, the possible outcomes are these. These are the possible outcomes when we throw two dice simultaneously. Okay? Possible outcomes are these all. How many? 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, like the total 36. So in this case, number of possible outcomes is 36. Yes or no? So when two dice are thrown simultaneously or at a time simultaneously or one after the other, we are going to get 36 possible outcomes. Sum 7. 7 means you see 1 1 2. Sum 7 means with 1 plus 6 7. This one. Then 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 6 plus 1. So sum 7 is these are. So your first bit is the favorable outcomes are these all are 1 6. Otherwise already it is there. Let us write number of favorable outcomes. Okay? Number of favorable outcomes equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 possible is 36. 6 1 are 6 6 are. So 1 by 6 is number of favorable outcomes is 6. We have to find the probability. So probability of getting sum 7 equal to number of favorable outcomes is 6. Possible is 36. 6 1 are 6 6 are 1 by 6. And your second bit is sum less than or equal to 3. Probability of getting sum less than or equal to 3. Here let us see number of favorable outcomes. Either less than 3 or equal to 3. How many are there? Let us see. See, from here 3 1 means it is becoming 4. So we won't get any favorable outcomes here. Equal to 3 or less than 3. 1 1, 1 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. No more. So only these 3. Only these 3. So probability of the sum less than or equal to 3 is number of favorable outcomes is 3 and number of possible outcomes is 36. That is 1 by 12. That is 1 by 12. You can let us round up for better understanding. And here let us underline. Okay. And the third one is sum less than or equal to 10. You see children, from starting with 1, all are less than 10. 2 plus 6 also 10. 3 less than 10. 3 plus 6 less than 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. That means all these rows 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 4 the 24 will be favorable. And here all these favorable. And 5, 6 is not favorable. This one we can cross. 6, 5 also becoming 11. So leaving these 3, rest all are favorable for this. Yes or no? So in the third case, number of favorable outcomes is out of 36, If you cancel these 3, you will get 33. So probability of getting sum less than or equal to 10 is equal to 33 by 36. When you simplify, you are going to get 3 11 ja, 3 12 ja, 11 by 12. Are you clear? So two different varieties I have explained today. In the next video, you are going to learn, or I am going to explain you some more sums. Thank you.